asked the guy, I go, excuse me, what is that sound? What is that? And he's like, the guy from Louisville, he was like, oh, that's just a tornado warning. That's what he said to me, that's just a tornado warning. And I was like, well, shouldn't we fucking hide? And this is what he said to me. He goes, oh, no, it's not gonna come. It's not gonna come through here. Are you fucking kidding me? Like, that's why their houses get blown the fuck away, because he talks to tornado all day, like, hey, tornado, you gonna come through, you gonna come through here? Tornado's like, nah, I'm not gonna come through there. It's a fucking tornado.